having the feelings, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. Or the rover, I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my dirty on go. Got the ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas, no. I've been in feelings, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top of the bottom, baby. Now you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you right at the top, baby. She wants your name, yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco.
Hey Bill, thanks for tuning in. So as you guys saw from the opening, we are doing a wig install from the brand Zlikehair. Packaging uber cute. Uber cute. This is the Water Wave 13x4 lace wig. I have 28 inches. And guys, they are doing a sale right now on the 30-inch wig. You can get it for $198, so less than $200. If you want this wig, I would get it now while it's on sale. My wig is 180% density, and it has combs in here. So combs at the nape, combs on the side, comb on the top, adjustable straps. Now, a mistake that I made. Now, you guys know I do not do ear-to-ear lace. I don't know how I made this mistake. You guys know I'm a good 5x5 closure wig girly. Somehow, I made a mistake and ordered the full lace. So I'm gonna have to cut the lace. I did go ahead and put some, this bottle looks horrible, some lace spray on there to tint the lace a little bit. So freaking pretty. So you guys can see, you pull it forward and then you would just cut around your ear to glue it down. So she's nice and roomy. You can see I already have like baby hairs. It's supposed to be pre-plucked as well. I probably would go and do a little bit more plucking, but me personally, I don't care. Like, I've noticed that when it comes to wigs, I don't like the whole perfect sculpted, perfect part. Like, I don't like that look. I just feel like it looks too wiggy. I like my hair to be a little bit wild and yeah.
There will be some shedding.
See how it looks? Oh, freedom. Okay. Oh, I hate doing that. Look at that. Ah! I plan on wearing this for a couple of days. I'm going to use this Red by Kiss Style Fixer Lace Holding Gel. This is the ultimate hold one.
Some people are gonna think that I'm crazy, but I don't care. All that matters to me is Isaiah.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no clothes. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my dirty on go. Got the ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas, no. I've been in feelings, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you,
So I'm going to cut the lace off and then see if I need to spray anything on there and then put the band back on if I need to. It's not fully dry just yet.
I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling I keep it inside my heart, and I keep a petty cause I don't do the sign. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it in me, you gonna do it.
Give me some hairspray. Why did you just leak all over my leg? Is that what the? Yeah. And this is just to help melt whatever part lifted when I cut the lace off. Alright, a little bit before I put the band back on. I'm gonna use the other side because it's clean. So what I want to do now is just get the hair a little bit wet and defined. It's so pretty. Shoot, if you wanted to, you could clearly wear it like this.
I put some ice on you cause you got it cold.
And guys, don't forget, because this is a 13x4 lace, you can part anywhere within this free parting area. So anywhere, you can do a side part, middle part, whatever. You put a little bit of mousse. Ooh, God, I'm dropping everything today. This is a lot of body mousse. I'm just gonna put a little bit in the front here to help define the curl. So I'm gonna put my diffuser onto my blow dryer. I let them dry like that, and then I'll just brush them out.
I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on the go. Drop that ass to the floor.
So if you want to, you could stop here. Maybe even like define your part if you want to, and you're good to go. But I want to do like a little updo because I want to use that bowl. So I'm just gonna do nothing major, just like a little half up, half down.
Is it okay if I call you my pride, baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Now you want to shoot with your head at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you right at the top. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Drop that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it, none of these niggas go wrong. If you having the feelings, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom.
That might be too big. Okay, so we're gonna switch this up. It's so good to be able to pivot. So what we're gonna do is make this into like a bun. I'm not sure
I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I keep my shawty on the go. Drop that ass to the floor. Yeah.
Maybe the bowl is just too big. I don't know.
Gotta make that ass clap, she don't need no clothes. High fashion, like oh yeah. G-Wagon, for the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on the go. Drop that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it, none of these niggas go. If we hop in the Benz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Now you want to shoot with the head at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you right at the top. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it, none of these niggas go. I've been in feelings, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of
Kiss
faith.
Edge Control, Edge Fixer, the Kiss Edge Fixer.
You know I like when you right at the top. She wants your name, yo. I'm only doing cash out for each promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a pedicure cause I don't do the side. You see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it makes you gon' do it. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, for the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Drop that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it, none of these niggas
I think we all can agree this hair is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. And I love the fact that they gave me the true length I requested. And this is not even stretched out and it's still so super duper long. Hair is nice and full. I was able to cut the lace without compromising it. It still fits great. It's still comfortable and secure. I know it's not going anywhere. The lace melted. It melted great. It's absolutely gorgeous, nice and full. I love the fact that they layered it for me. So like I get a more natural look rather than having it all just super duper straight because that just looks too heavy. It fits great. I have a 22-inch head. I have an average cap size. It fits comfortably. I just love it. I love it. I have nothing negative to say, which is shocking. I was worried at first about the lace because the lace was looking a little bit white, but you guys can see it melted. So it's supposed to be transparent lace. It's melted. It's beautiful. Oh, the only thing I would say is that it does need a little bit more plucking. It does need a little bit more plucking, but I told you guys, I really don't care. Like, I'm not a perfectionist when it comes to wigs. You know I'm wearing a wig. I don't really care. But, like, that's the only thing I would say is that it does need a little bit more plucking. But, yeah, that's it. Like I said, 30 inches is on sale for $198. You cannot beat that price. For 30 inches, you cannot beat that price. So, of course, you can shop the other wigs on the site, plus this one in different lengths, different lace measurements as well. They have 13 by 6, 13 by 4, 360, and a 5 by 5. So whatever you want to get, they had a 5 by 5. I don't know why I hit 13 by 4. We ain't gonna go there. But anyways, if you want to get your hands on this unit, check down below right beneath this video, and there will be a link for the wig. Also, if you're not subscribed, please do so, because I love to have you here on the channel. We're trying to get to 100K, and I can't get there without you guys' support. It would mean the world to me if you subscribed or if you shared this video. So please do so. Also like and comment, and I will chit chat with you guys down below in the comment section. Love you. Bye.